Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool channel. On the bench today we have the HT Instruments AC line splitter. This device was released to the market May 1st, 2019, and I'm sure you can still find one online if you're interested in purchasing one. Guys, I just want to give my take on this this instrument. And let me just get this out. Two things I want to say before I continue. First of all, I'm actually to support the channel. And you can do that for free by hitting that subscribe button if you like what I'm doing, you love the videos, you like the tools I show. Hit that subscribe button. That's to support the channel, help the channel to grow. Leave a comment if you choose to. You can post that online as well. You can share the video. All that to me would be like an invisible handshake to me saying, man, you're doing a good job. I enjoyed the video. Whatever you get out of it, I would appreciate it. So you could do any one of those things that I just ask you, and it's for free. So you could do that while watching the video right now. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell right next to it. And all that would do is put you in rotation so you won't miss none of my up and coming videos, because there are more videos on the way, lots more. Anyway, now the second thing I want to talk to you guys about. Look, I know my videos are not long, and they're not long for a reason, because I'm responding to one of my viewers who I don't know if I'm not going to say he was upset, but he was kind of disappointed that I didn't cover a certain topic on one of the reviews that I've done. Well, put it like this. I'm going to hit and I'm going to miss on certain things. I may not cover everything from A to Z because I do not record long videos. I really don't like long videos myself, so I don't give it to you. I know your time is valuable. I give you bits and pieces or snippets of certain things which you want to hear and see the tools. The tools that I present. I try to focus on the tool as much as I possibly can, all the main basic functions that you need to know. And if I don't cover something, it's not that I don't want to cover it. I may have missed it. You got me? I may not have said it the way that you would have said it. That's all right. But if I missed it, guys, no need to get upset. Go research it yourself. That's why I give out all the model numbers of the tool, all the information on the tool, so you can go do it yourself. If I miss it, okay. Just like you post, you're on the keyboard yourself or your phone, you can just type in that model number and look at the specs yourself for that tool. So that's all I'm saying. Don't shut me down because I may not mention that this green input right here is for ground. You know what I'm saying? That's the kind of stuff that I was talking about. I may mention everything else about the tool, but I may forget to mention that the hot goes here, hot goes there, and the green is for ground. Okay, sorry about that, but I've told you about the rest of the tool within 10 minutes, as much as I possibly could without forgetting anything. So whatever I forget, guys, you have the information that I've given you posted on a video, and I try to mention it as well so you can do your research. But anyway, this tool here, I mentioned that it was released to the market. I told you May 1st, 2019. It's still on rotation to this day that I know of. This is a little bit larger than the average line splitter that we have in the United States, but this one is made for the United States. It has a NEMA plug on it, and I'll get to that in a minute. The two hot, neutral, and the ground for the American plugs here in the States. But this one has a lot of features. First of all, let me tell you what I do like about it. It's a very high quality tool. It's not cheaply made at all. All this plastic, what you see, is very high quality. And what I like about it, it has an extension on it. So if I want to make a measurement, I won't have to worry about putting the weight. Well, if I want to leave my clamp meter on any one of these ports I'm using, there's an extension on it now that won't put weight on the outlet itself and make it fall halfway out of the wall or what have you. I can lay this wherever it's laying at, and it'll be plugged in all the way without poking halfway out. I like that. I really do like that. Also, like on the average ones you see, they only have two little tiny holes that you can test the like the voltage with. They have two holes that you can test it with. That's okay, but I like the fact that this one have the banana plugs for your test leads. and it's going to fit it. It's going to just lock in there basically. And you can, you can have this line on the ground somewhere if you're doing data logging on that certain outlet or whatever you're doing that machine. Plug the machine in the back of the side. I'll show you over here, and you can plug your test leads with banana plugs on probes on it, and it fit right in there without falling out. I like that. You got me. Also, I'm looking at this and I read on it that you not only can do leakage current testing in this either. Also, from up here, you just put the cap on this side. This line of neutral and this you could do leakage current on here as well. You do line and neutral testing, line to ground testing, and neutral to ground testing. It's a lot, and the price isn't bad at all either. I think the price of this thing new, maybe something like $40. But if you ask me and you went to data logging and all that kind of stuff, you're doing service calls and offices and what have you, even in your home, I believe something like this would be really great for you, because it does multiple usable features. You got me? And I like it. I really do like it. So let me see what else that I can say about this instrument. Oh, let me just show you. I said I wanted to show you the plugs on it. Some of you don't know what a NEMA plug is. There we go. Here, ordinary plug. And if you were, you could plug this side into the outlet, plug your device, your 120 volt device on this side, and you can test away. You can do all your testing that you want to do. I think it's a good find if you were to find this one online out there, and the price is right and is in good condition, and you into doing service calls and troubleshooting and problem solving out there. It won't hurt to have this in your arsenal of tools. So that's my take on it. If you have any one of you guys have anything else to say or anything that I may have missed, I'm sorry. I apologize, and I gave you the information. I'm out.